In 1984, Michael Dell kicked off his computer business from a cramped college dorm room with just $1,000. Now, that's not exactly a recipe for taking on the tech titans of the world, so how did Dell pull it off? Here's the secret sauce. Dell struck deals with parts suppliers to get 60 days to pay his bills. Meanwhile, he only built a computer after a customer paid up front. That meant Dell never had to stash piles of expensive inventory in a warehouse or shell out cash he didn't have. He was using the supplier's money to fill customer orders, not his own. That clever move turned out to be a game changer. Dell used supplier credit to fuel his company's explosive growth. By 1992, sales hit $80 million, and just 8 years later, Dell was topping $50 billion in revenue. All that without relying on heavy bank loans or racking up debt. Here's the big lesson for today's business students. If you're starting up, structuring your purchase terms is a powerful way to scale without maxing out your credit cards. Trade credit, essentially getting suppliers to give you time to pay, can be your secret engine for working capital. It's more than just a negotiation tactic, it's a growth strategy. So what should you take away from Dell's story? Number 1, always negotiate for longer payment cycles with your suppliers. Number 2, keep your operations lean. Build only what your customers want when they want it. That keeps your upfront costs way down. And number 3, every dollar you free up from not holding inventory, pour it back into things that grow your business, like marketing, R&D, and talent. In the end, Dell's journey proves that you don't need a fat bank account to launch a global business. Sometimes all you need is smart thinking, a little hustle, and the courage to ask your suppliers for better terms. Trade credit isn't just accounting, it's the difference between staying stuck in your dorm room and leading a $50 billion company. If Dell could do it, why not you?